Hi and welcome to AfriHost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to set up usage notifications in CWP. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select ClientZone at the top of the page. Enter your ClientZone username and password and click Login. If this is the first time you are logging into your ClientZone on this device, you may receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP number and select Submit to log in. Once you are logged into ClientZone, select the Hosting tab. Select the domain you wish to create a notification for. Click Website Manager, and then select Login to Website Manager. The CentOS Web Panel or CWP dashboard will then load. Once in CWP, scroll down to CWP Settings and select Notifications. In the Notification Center, switch the Enabled Notifications toggle button to On if it is in the off position. Go through the list of notification options and switch any notifications you want to receive to On. For the purposes of this video, we will switch on Disk Space Quota to get notified when the disk space is low, Website Change Detector to track any changes on the website, Email Space Limit to get notified when we are running out of email space, and Account Password Change as an extra security measure. You have now successfully set up usage notifications in CWP.